7 signs you're too busy and what to do about it. Being too busy in our society is common. You have work, a family, pets, hobbies, and an exercise routine that you're supposed to be doing. You probably also have a house that needs to be cleaned and piles of laundry that need to be done. However, being too busy is not always a good thing. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over 7 signs that show you're too busy, as well as give you some ways you can calm down your life for a better future. 1. You never see family. If you have to tell your family you can't come to events or spend time with them because of work, this means you are too busy. Your relationships can suffer because of being too busy, and it can be hard to repair them. Put spending time with your family into the schedule. Tell your boss you need to go home early, or let them know the day every week that you will not take a phone call or answer emails. 2. You aren't really present. Even when not at work, you're checking your email or thinking about what you need to do next. Make sure when you are with family or friends, you put down the phone and concentrate. Try to take in every moment and just live in the present. Try to meditate during the day so you can get your mind and brain back on track. 3. You care too much about others. Are you spending too much time working because things really are busy, or do you feel like you have to please your boss and co-workers? If it's the latter, this shows you're busy for the wrong reasons. Yes, your job needs to be done, but you don't need to put unrealistic expectations on yourself just to make others happy. At work, try to schedule time between clients so you're not bouncing from one to the next without time for yourself. Your clients will also need to make time for you rather than you jumping through hoops for everyone. 4. You're always tired. If you feel like you're never refreshed and always tired, this shows your mind is always busy even when you are sleeping. Lack of sleep can also make you feel irritated and cause you to lash out in anger. Make sure you have a scheduled sleep routine that allows you to get the same amount of rest every night. You should also turn off the electronics every day at the same time. 5. You never get time off. Can't remember the last time you took a vacation? This means you're putting more of a priority on work than on your mental health and taking time for yourself. Make sure to always take all your available vacation days and don't feel guilty about it. 6. You can't focus. Not being able to focus is a class sign that you're too busy and your brain is on overdrive. You might also find yourself trying to multitask but not being able to do so because your brain is always trying to do too many things. Try to turn off the electronics for an hour every day and get outside or do some yoga. 7. You can't ask for help. Everyone needs help from time to time. If you feel like you can't ask for help, this means you're too busy and feel like you need to do everything yourself. Try delegating tasks to qualified people so you can concentrate on other things rather than getting overwhelmed.